256 means this, if this is the data, this PN sequence is to be repeated after 256 bits only. This PN sequence is repeating after 256 bits. So how to generate again a smart PN sequence? This is generated with simple D and Q flip-flop. बराबर ना? Next this Q will be given to this D, then this is will be a, so like this is first, second, third. Now to check the beauty of this again. D2 आणि आता बघ, this is the XOR operation which is fed back to this one, आणि काय इथं Q1, Q2, Q3 and this final output which is feeding back to the input. बरोबर ना? हा input हा याला जातो, and this is combination of Q2 XOR with Q3. But who know this Q2 and Q3? Who know this Q2 and Q3 XORing is there? Are you getting? Means what? This is a combination of Q2 and Q3 which is feeding back to the input. But who know this? Only transmitter and receiver. All others don't know what is the combination which is being taken, and from that again the input is coming. So how secure these input bits are there then? Because this output is coming back here, then it will be shifting, then it will be next shifting. Are you getting? So is this a secured code? Yes. So that's why this PN sequence generation is like this. Then next one. Next is the BPSK modulation. Now coming back to this actual data patterns, how this actual operation which will be carried out. So for this now in your kit, it's a 10-bit PN sequence which will be. So the bit duration will be calling this as TB, and this will be calling it as a TC. This is a TB bit duration. This is TC calling it as a chip duration. This is a PN sequence, and this is a data. So data duration is always higher than the PN sequence. So in this we'll just see, try to 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. Okay. Now which operation need to be performed in this one? It's XNOR operation. आता हे जे इथं ऑपरेशन होतं, it's a, even though it is a direct multiplication, but it's a XNOR operation. Just perform it there. Take a table, XOR table 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is XOR. XNOR 0 0 1 0 0 1. Is this okay? Now perform it. 1 1 0 1. बराबर ना? 1 0 1 0. Same? Yes or no? 1 0. So when data bit is 1, at that time the PN sequence will be same as this. Now when data bit is 0, the same sequence should be there. 10 bits of operation. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay. 0 1 1 0. Around 1 0 0 0 1. So is it inverted? Is it inverted? I am asking you some question. Yes or no? So when the data bit is 1, at that time PN sequence will be same. When the data bit is 0, at that time the PN sequence is inverted. Okay? Is this okay? Hey Zala? Then what we need to do it? This is to be passing through the BPSK म्हणजे हा कॅरियर. and then what is happening? For this we need to show the phase shift. What is phase shift? This is a 180 degree. त्याच्यानंतर काय इथं पुन्हा फेज शिफ्ट आली. So is it a first level of modulation? Is this a first level of modulation? Which modulation can you just tell me? Can I say this as frequency modulation? Because this high bit and it's converted into low bit duration signal. So can I say this frequency operation? Yes or no? And this is BPSK. That's why I said two level of modulation. Is that really clear? Now see, this is BPSK transmitted signal. Here PSK generated signal. Then coherent. So coherent means carrier recovery circuit is obviously expected. Are you getting the same? So I will explain the heat now.